In this video, I'll show you how to use the Pick a Question feature to find your next great SOLE question. To get started, open the StartSOLE app and tap Pick a Question. You'll see a stack of cards with 10 questions pre-selected for you based on your grade and subject. You can change these filters using the standard picker or add a keyword if you're interested in a particular topic. If I like a question, I can swipe right to keep it as an option. If I swipe left, questions will be discarded. I can continue to review questions this way until I find the perfect match or have completed all 10 cards and want to restart. If I find a question I like, I tap on the question to start my SOLE.